In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Civil 3D surface. By the end, you'll understand how to open the right palette, create a tin surface, add the data that defines it, and generate the surface so you can review it confidently. First, let's bring up the tool space. Press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Tool space is the control center for Civil 3D, and you'll use it constantly. If it's already visible, you're good to go. Make sure you're on the Prospector tab inside Tool Space. That's where we'll manage our surfaces. Now, let's create the surface. In Prospector, find Surfaces, right-click Surfaces, and choose Create Surface. In the dialog, set the surface type to tin. A tin, or triangulated irregular network, represents your terrain as a network of non-overlapping triangles, ideal for most civil design tasks. Give the surface a clear descriptive name so you can find it later, something that reflects its source or purpose, and click OK. You can leave other options as their defaults for now. We're focusing on getting a clean working surface in place. Next, we'll add the data that defines the surface. In Prospector, expand your new surface, then expand definition. Right-click definition, choose add, and select the kind of data you have. Points are individual survey points already inside the drawing. Point files let you import external files like CSV or TXT that contain coordinates and elevations. Contours are polylines with elevation values that Civil 3D can interpret to build the triangles between them. Boundaries let you control the limits of the surface, for example, to clip away triangles outside your project area or to exclude interior regions like ponds or building pads. Pick the option that matches your data source, review any prompts or dialogues for file paths and formats if applicable, and confirm your choices. With your inputs selected, click OK to generate the surface and review it. Civil 3D will process the data and build the tin automatically. Take a moment to look over the result in your drawing. If your surface style displays contours, you'll see lines that represent elevation changes. If not, you might see only the surface boundary, which is still fine for a quick check. Look for obvious issues like spikes, flats where there shouldn't be any, or triangles stretching across gaps. If something looks off, it usually traces back to the definition. Verify that your points have proper elevations, your contours are at the right levels, and that a boundary is applied if you need to trim stray triangles at the edges. That's it. Tool space opened, surface created, data added, and the build reviewed. You now have a solid Civil 3D surface ready for analysis and design.